Hi friends, welcome to my channel Homeschooling with Anita. Subscribe to my channel to get more innovative and creative ideas. Today, I am going to show you one interesting activity which will improve child's listening and concentration power. Kids will really enjoy while doing this activity. At the same time, you can improve your child's listening and concentration power. You can make the kids engaged more time by giving this activity. The activity name is Draw a Monster. You need to say some sentences related to how the monster looks like and kids wants to draw for the sentence. Since it's a listening activity, you should not repeat the sentence. They need to listen carefully and then they need to draw. If you do this activity in group, it will be a fun work. Once they are done with their work, you can see a variety of monsters. You can use this activity in your online classes as well as in your home. Okay, come let us see. Activity name is Draw a Monster. It's not necessary that you want to use the same sentences as I have given you. You can use your own imagination and creativity to make it more fun. These are the sentences I am using to do this activity, Draw a Monster. Come, let us see how to draw a monster by using this sentence. The monster has oval face. The monster has long green hair. The kids wants to listen to you what you're saying and they need to use the specified color. So they need to give green color. The monster has two big red eyes and a small nose. The monster has big brown mouth with so many teeth. The monster has a huge body. The monster has 6 orange arms. The monster has 3 black legs. So this is how my monster looks like. You can use this draw a monster activity to teach the adjectives like huge body, red eyes, green arms. Kids will really enjoy this activity. Next activity is listen and draw. You can use this activity to teach any theme like transports, body part, shapes, etc. Today I am going to show you how you can use this activity to teach them the theme transports. Here I have given some few sentences for the theme transport. Draw two clouds in the sky. Draw a black road at the bottom of the page. Draw a blue water waves in the middle. Draw an aeroplane in the sky. Draw a boat in the water. And some fishes. Draw a bus on the road. Draw a sun in the sky. Draw a parachute in the sky. By this way, you can teach the kids the concepts very easily like transport. So, transport is of three types: road transport, water transport, and air transport. If you give this activity based learning, they will never forget throughout their lifetime. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more innovative and creative ideas like this.